Hello there, been down to Bramley-moore today. It's been a while since we've had a full update, isn't it? Long time. Been working at the Golf Open, and if you follow the live streams we do, you'll know my son broke his collarbone, so that's had to take priority. Anyway, let's get on with it. So, being back down to Bramley-moore, if you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel. You can leave us a comment in the comment section below. Please share the video with your family and friends, etc. etc. Like the video. So, did come down on the 25th, which was yesterday, and the wind was horrendous, so we couldn't really get anything done. But we are back today to give a full round update. We're concentrating on the east and north side mainly, and then in our next video we'll concentrate on the south and west properly, and then see what's going on. So, the intervening lift happened today, the 26th of July, which you are going to see in this video coming up shortly. So we did get a couple of shots of the east roof. The complete structure has been, bavels have been put in. Now they've started the next part of the roof, which we will take a look at in a couple of minutes time. We're just going to go around to the Mersey side and see what's happening. There were some people on the roof today. I think they're starting to fit more cladding on this north side of the roof, which you'll see in a moment. We have just having a little look inside the site as well. As you can see, there's some roof tufts. I don't know what it's called. Roof ready to go up. Is it called a roof extension or something like that? Someone let me know in the comments if you know what that's called. Oh, just moving around. Quite a lot of cranes still on site. And as we fly around, so there's been this big white sheet put up by Lango Walk, which we're going to take a look at now. Okay, so there's the guys working on the roof. And there's this white, I don't know what it is, white sheet. But I'm sure that wasn't there last time I come. I'm certain of it. And why is that? Some sort of scaffolding or something, is it? I'm guessing. If you watch out my videos regularly, you'll know that I always am no sort of building expert and know anything like that. I'm just a lad with a drone bringing you the pictures, and then being completely honest, I do rely on people to, I don't know what's happened there, to fill in the blanks, which they do, to be fair to them. Especially Jay, is it JFC, and there's some numbers on his name. He is quite helpful filling in the blanks for this. Right, we're going to take a look at this roof that's been put up, roof piece. I'm just going to call it a roof piece. I don't know what the correct name is for it, but we're going to take a closer look at this now. Actually, considering the weather's been so bad, it was very calm this morning. So I've been and got a few things, a couple of different videos done. Been and shot a commercial in town for a new sock brand that's coming out. They needed some drone footage, so they reached out to us on the channel, and we've been doing that this morning as well. So I've been a busy boy. It's not even 10:30 yet. Okay, let's take a look at this. So this crane, I don't know what that one's doing. It's keeping, maybe it's lowering beams into the roof or something like that, maybe, I don't know. Maybe we're just getting around to have a look at this. To be honest with you, I didn't actually notice this at first. And then when I was just looking at the hood, I was like, oh, that's just been fitted. So look, as you can see, it has just been lifted in. There are actually people working on securing it into place. I just keep zooming out just to make sure I'm not on the site, because we do move it just a bit closer. Just for some purposes, I am proving I'm just not on the site. So that is the new news today, and that has been fitted. As I say, we're concentrating on these two sides of the ground on this particular update, and then on our next update we will do the other side. You can see that is holding that into place. I'm guessing that is the start of the rest of them being put up. So we'll try and get down and catch some of them. So look out for our next video and update on this particular site. Subscribe to the channel and click that bell notification, and then you won't miss any updates in the future. So have a great day and week, and we will see you on the next one, which will hopefully either be tomorrow or Friday. We'll see how nice the weather is for us. Take care. We'll see you soon.